morning everyone. Today we will do exercise 7.2 question number 4 from coordinate geometry. Okay, so in this question, see, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. So in this case I will draw a simple figure by assuming the numbers points. Okay, so I mean this is a line A. Suppose A is -3, 10, suppose, and this B, point B is 6, -8, and suppose this is a point C, or this point is P. Coordinate of the point is 1, 6. Suppose this is M, this is N. So you have to find the ratio. Okay, so P is a point -1, 6, which divides AB, A -3, 10 and B 6, -8 in the ratio of M is to M, and you have to find the ratio. It means that here the value of X and Y is given, okay, on distance formula. So now you see solution. Draw this figure given, okay, not given because A and B, P is assumed by me, so it is let A -3, 10 and B 6, -8 is divided by P -1, 6 in the ratio of M is to N. Okay, M is to N. We have to find the ratio. Okay, now here I am using the formula. Okay, you can use the formula of X or Y. So here we can write X equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Okay, this is the formula of point of division on abscissa. So X equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Now you will see what is X. Here point P, the abscissa of point P is -1, so we can replace this X by -1. This M we don't know. Mx2 is abscissa of this point B, 6, plus nx1 abscissa of first point, that is -3 by m plus n. Okay, so from here we will find the ratio. So I am rubbing this. Now you see, you can use Y also, ordinate also. Okay, so but I am using here abscissa. This implies -1 m plus n is equals to, this is 6m minus 3n is equals to, you multiply this minus sign, -1 minus m minus n is equals to 6m minus 3n. Now you have to separate m and n on different side of the equals to. Just to separate it, this is minus m, this plus 6 will come this side, minus 6m, this is minus 3n, this minus will go there, simply n. So minus 1m and minus 6m, minus plus. Okay, so this is 7m, but sign will be minus because greater sign. So here minus plus minus, from 3n you subtract 1n, means only n, then it is 2n, but sign will be minus. Okay, this is greater, so this minus will cut. Okay, so m by n equals to this 2 by 7. Okay, now what we can write, this implies m is to n is equals to 2 is to 7. So this is the answer. Okay, so ratio is 2 is to 7. Clear? Now you see next question number 5. Question number 5. This is very important question. See, find the ratio. Same way you have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, -5 and B -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis, and I told you that point on the x-axis is always x comma 0. So also find the coordinate of the point of division. So question number 5. For this question I am drawing a simple figure. Suppose this is point A. Suppose this point A is 1 comma minus 5, and point B 4 comma, point B is minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Suppose point P is a point on the x-axis, so coordinate is x comma 0. So first you find the ratio and then point. So first you write given A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 comma 5, and let point on the x-axis P is equals to x comma 0. So point on the x-axis is always x comma 0. Now x comma 0 means here you see the value of y is given, the value of ordinate is given. By using this value of y we have to use here section formula. Okay, by using the value of y we can find the ratio, and after using that ratio we have to find x. Okay, so see, the point on the x-axis means the value of y is given, y is 0, ordinate is 0, because we know that point on the x-axis is always x comma 0. So here now we know that y equals to my2, I am using the formula here, n y1 by m plus n. So why I am using only the y? Because the value of y is 0 here. I can't use here x because x is not given. So you just put y equals to 0 is equals to m, we don't know the ratio, m y2 is 5 plus n we don't know, y1 is minus 5 by m plus n. So it is 0 into m plus n equals to 5m minus 5n. So this is equals to 0 is equals to 5m minus 5n equals to minus 5m minus 5n. 5 gone, minus gone, 5 will also cut. So now see, this means m by n equals to 5 by 5, 5 1 jar, 5 1 jar. So m is to n equals to 1 is to 1. So ratio is 1 is to 1. Okay, now we have to find the point, means now we have to find the value of x. Now you have to use the formula of abscissa in the section formula. So now we know that x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Okay, now see, this implies m is 1, x2 is minus 4 plus n is 1, x1 is 1, all divided by 1 plus 1. So it is x equals to minus 4, 1 into minus 4, minus 4 plus 1 by 2. It is minus 3 by 2. So value of x is minus 3 by 2. Okay, therefore the point on the x-axis x-axis is equals to x comma 0. So here value of x is minus 3 by 2. It is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. This is minus, okay. This is your answer. So in this way you have to solve this question, and this question is very important. Again I am repeating, the point on the x-axis, formula for point on the x-axis is x comma 0, and formula on the point on the y-axis is 0 comma y. So this is very important point. Okay, thank you very much.